Do you want 2026 to be the year you finally feel confident speaking English? Or will it be another year of I understand, but I can't speak? I know how you feel. Learning English is hard. You study grammar, you learn words, but when it's time to talk, your mind goes blank. You feel nervous. But listen, it is not your fault. You just don't have a plan. Today, with only hours left in 2025, I am giving you a gift. I have created a 10-minute daily routine for 2026. It is designed for beginners like you. No boring textbooks, no expensive classes, just 10 minutes a day to transform your speaking. Are you ready to make 2026 your best year? Then grab a coffee, sit down, and let's start your first lesson of the new year, right now. Hello, my friend. Happy New Year's Eve. In just a few hours, we enter 2026. I want you to take a deep breath. Do you feel it? The excitement? The fresh start? Maybe in the past, English felt like a mountain, too big, too difficult. But in 2026, we are not going to climb a mountain. We are going to take small steps. Today, I am giving you a gift, my 10-minute daily plan. If you give me 10 minutes, I will give you confidence. Why only 10 minutes? Because 10 minutes is easy. You can do 10 minutes while you drink your morning coffee. You can do 10 minutes before you go to sleep. Beginners often fail because they try to study for 2 hours. Then they get tired. Then they stop. But you are going to be consistent. In 2026, consistency is your superpower. Let's look at the plan together. Listen to one short English clip. It can be a song, a video like this, or a podcast. Don't try to understand everything. Just let the sounds enter your ears. Listen for the rhythm of the language. Pick one sentence from what you heard, just one. Repeat it out loud. If the person says, "It's a beautiful day," you say, "It's a beautiful day." Try to copy my voice. Try to copy the feeling. This is how your muscles learn English. Speak to yourself. Look at your room. Tell me what you see. There is a window. There is a chair. I am happy. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be spoken. Let's practice right now. I will say a 2026 resolution and you repeat it after me. In 2026, I am a confident speaker. Again, in 2026, I am learning every day. Perfect. You are already doing it. My friend, 2026 is going to be a wonderful year for you. Don't worry about the mistakes. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up in the new year, start your 10 minutes. I am so proud of you for being here. Happy New Year. I will see you in 2026.